says m cubed plus 5m is equal to 42, and we're going to solve for the value of values of m. Okay? Now, how do we solve this together? Now, first thing we can say here is that let's factorize m from this equation. So we have m into m squared plus 5 equals 42. Okay? Now, from here we can say, what are the product of 42? Okay, 42 can be equal to 41 times 42 multiplied by 1, alright? Or we can say 42 is equal to 21 multiplied by 2, alright? Now, also 42 can be said is equal to 7 multiplied by 6, okay, 14 multiplied by 3, alright? Now, let's test for which of these can fit in as m in this question, because that will make our work a lot easier. Alright? Now, looking at this question, we can say the first one is 42 times 1. If this is an expression, which of these should be greater? Of course, the one inside is greater than the one outside. So it means that we say m is 1, m squared plus 5, if m is 1, cannot be equal to 42. Okay? So we strike this out. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. If you put m as 1 here, we have 1 squared plus 5, which is 6, and this is not 42. When m is 2, 2 squared plus 5, we have 4 plus 5, which is 9. So this is also null and void. Thirdly, we have 6 squared is 36. 36 plus 5 is 41. 41 is not equal to 7, alright? Then lastly, we have 3 squared, which is 9. 9 plus 5 is 14, alright? And this is correct, okay? So this is the correct one. So we say that from here, our m is equal to 3, okay? So it means that we can say m equals 3, alright? Now, that's very good. So, but recall that the highest power of m here is 3. If the highest power of m in this question is 3, it means that we still have 2 remaining answers to find, okay? So we can say, if m is equal to 3 is a 0, it means that m minus 3 is a factor of this equation. And what equation is that? M cubed plus 5m minus 42, okay, equals 0 is the new equation that we have here, just from the question we had before. If we divide the expression alone, okay, if you remove these parts and divide this expression by m minus 3, okay, so let's divide this by m minus 3, okay, m into m cubed is m squared multiplied by this is m cubed minus 3m squared. When we subtract, we have 3m squared plus 5m, okay. This divided by this is plus 3m. Again, multiplying, we have 3m squared minus 9m. Subtracting, we have 9 plus 5 as 14m minus 42. Okay, dividing, we have plus 14. Alright, so now we're going to look at these parts, okay, the quotients of this division, and we'll find out the factors of the quotients, and those will be the 2 remaining answers to this equation. Okay, so write out these quotients. This is m squared plus 3m plus 14. Okay, so this is the quotient of this division. We're going to find the factors or the zeros of this quotient. So we equate this to 0 and find the zeros of this quotient, and then those are the remaining answers for this. So these are quotients from the division. Okay, we've equated it to 0 because we're going to find the zeros of these quotients. Now we have that m is equal to 3. We're going to find 2 remaining answers for this equation. Okay, let's do that now. So first of all, we can use the quadratic formula that says that m here will be equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Okay, now our b is the coefficient of m. We can now say that from here m will become equal to minus b is minus 3 plus or minus square root of 3 squared is 9 minus 4 times 14 is negative 56. Okay, all over 2 times 1, which is 2. We have this to be equal to minus 3 plus or minus square root of 9 minus 56 is 47. Okay, all over 2. And this become equal to minus 3 plus or minus I root 47 all over 2. Okay, so this becomes the final answer to this question. Thanks for watching.